Um, huh? Okay. We're gonna be putting out some fireworks soon. Wait, is there any more? Oh. Wait. Oh. Okay. Shoot, I missed that. No. But the bad news is that the curfew is today from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Yep. Happy Independence Day, happy 4th of July, and happy birthday to you not. Okay, let me say this, cause the fireworks interrupted me. Wait a minute. Let me say this again, cause the fireworks interrupted me. Happy Independence Day, happy birthday to. Oh my god, I can't even talk. Happy Independence Day, happy 4th of July, and happy 244th birthday to the United States of America. God bless America.